Hello, grade 8. Welcome to our online course. I missed all of you. I missed all the class, okay? And I hope you are safe at home. Please stay at home to your safety. And I'm really missed all of you, okay? So today we are going to continue our curriculum for the second semester, and we are going to study or start our class by magnet. You know magnet? Do you know magnet? That one. It's called a magnet. It's an hard object, okay? You can see it's come in different shape, different size, okay? And you are going to see or find out that that small object can attract different materials. Just wait. Like paper clips, okay? Like iron nail, okay? So when I asked you define magnet or what is magnet, magnet it's an hard object that attract, this is called attraction. Attract or pull something, okay? Or we call these materials magnetic materials. So the material which are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic material. So magnet, it's an object that attract or pull something toward it. Pull something toward it. Okay, attract or pull something toward it, okay? So this is the first point. Second point, we are going to talk about something called magnetic material. What are magnetic materials? This one is called magnetic materials. That powder inside my small box, see? That powder is called magnetic material. It's also called iron filling. Paper clips are magnetic materials. These tires are magnetic materials. My key are magnetic materials. So magnetic materials, the material which attracted by the magnet. Materials that attracted by the magnet are called magnetic materials. They are only four metals that attracted by the magnet. We can say, I can see Nick. See this sentence? I can see Nick. I for iron. C for cobalt. S steel. Neck in nickel. They are four metals that attracted by the magnet. So we call them magnetic material. Magnetic material, okay? So for non-magnetic material, let's start with none. None come from the word not. So not magnetic material or non-magnetic material like a plastic. Plastic is not attracted by the magnet. See? No attraction, no repulsion, no anything. So plastic is one of non-magnetic material. Why? Because it's not attracted by the magnet. Okay? So today, until now, we discuss number one, what is magnet? It's an object that attract or pull something toward it. Number two, we talked that we have two types of material according to or in relation to the magnet, magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Magnetic material, material attracted by the magnet. Non-magnetic material, material are not attracted by the magnet. Magnetic material like iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, while non-magnetic material like plastic and wood, okay? So we have two types of magnet. That one, which come in different shape and sizes, called man-made magnet. Man-made magnet. And another type, or the second type, is natural magnet. Natural magnet come from the word nature, okay? So nature, you can find it in nature. So that Allah create create natural magnet. You can find in natural as in black rock, while man-made magnet created by we or by humans or by workers, and it made from magnetic materials. So man-made magnet are made from magnetic material like iron, steel, cobalt, and nickel, and a new metal that is used nowadays in these recent days. They used neodymium. Neodymium is a type of metal that's used in making man-made magnet, and we have another name for man-made magnet. It's called permanent magnet. Permanent comes from the word forever. That magnet will be magnetized or is going to attract magnetic material forever. So it's called permanent magnet, okay? So once you use one time, it's going to attract more and more many times, okay? So man-made magnets are also called permanent magnet, okay? So until now, number one, we talk define magnet. It's an hard object, attract or pull magnetic material. What are types of materials? Magnetic material, non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are steel, cobalt, nickel. They are metals that attracted by the magnet. While non-magnetic materials like plastic, like wood, they are the materials that are not attracted by the magnet. After that, we talked about types of magnet. We have man-made magnet and natural magnet. Natural magnet, it's a type of rock, black rock, it's called lodestone, while man-made magnet, which created by humans, is called permanent magnet. Permanent magnets will be magnetized or will be a magnet for a long period of time. It's called permanent, okay? After that, and today we are going to keep talking about something called properties. Property like a description. Once I enter the class and take two of a student randomly and say, what is the difference between the two students? Okay, I'm going to describe one as tall and one as short. One with heavy hair and one without hair. One is wearing white, one is wearing blue. This is called description or difference or properties. What is the difference between a magnet and any other metals around us? Okay, so the first property of magnet, if I have a bar magnet, see that one? It's a bar magnet, see? It contains two poles, N and S. N for North Pole and S for South Pole, two direction. So two poles, two end, two terminal, N and S, North and South. If I hang that magnet, hang it, okay, and I will leave a video about that experiment that be done before by another one. So you are going to see how the magnet move. So if I hang that bar magnet and I leave it to be freely to move, it's going to move in N and S direction. What is that? N and S is going to move in north and south direction only. It's not going to move in east and west, only north and south, north and south. So that one is the first property of the magnet. Number two, as I told you right now, for 3 minutes ago, I told you that there is two poles of the magnet, N and S. N and S. If I put N with S, see? It's like moving away, moving toward each other. So this is called unlike poles because it's S with N or N with S. They are attracted. So we called unlike poles attract. While if I use S with S, south with south, see? They are going to push each other away. S with S moving each other away. This is called repulsion. So unlike poles, like N with S attract, while like poles, S with S or N with N are going to repel. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Okay, so we say number one is the property of magnet. A fairly hanging bar magnet is going to move in north and south direction only. Number two, like poles repel, unlike poles attract. So after that, I'm going to show you a very beautiful and funny and exciting experiment about how to make a magnet at home. Once you need a magnet and in that experiment you need an iron nail and a magnet, okay, and any magnetic material like iron filling. Okay, you see iron filling. So we have a magnet, we have iron nail and iron filling. So we are going to make a method or a way called a stroke method. You hear me? Stroke method. How it's going? By stroking or rubbing the iron nail in one direction many times. You can hear what I'm doing. Once you finished, you can see right now what happened to see what's happened. See, the iron nail attracts the iron filling. Iron filling are magnetic material, and also the iron nail is a magnetic material. But after you stroking the iron nail by the magnet, it's converted into a it's converted into temporary magnet, like for a period of time. Okay, permanent forever, temporary for a period of time. So once after a period of time, the iron nail can't attract a magnetic material. Okay, so until now, again and again, what did I say? Number one, what is magnet? Magnet is an object, can attract or pull something toward it. What is something? Something is magnetic material. We have two types of material: magnetic material, non-magnetic material. Magnetic materials like iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, they are metals and they are magnetic material because they can attracted by the magnet. Other material like aluminium, plastic, wood, they are non-magnetic material. Non means not attracted by the magnet. Okay.